Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, welcome to your Arabic class. Dear students, আজ আমরা লেসন 2 পার্ট 2 শুরু করতে চলেছি ইনশাআল্লাহ। তো পার্ট 2 দেখার পূর্বে সবাই পার্ট 1 দেখে নেবেন, তাহলে লেসন 2 পরিপূর্ণভাবে বুঝতে এবং জানতে আমাদের সুবিধা হবে ইনশাআল্লাহ। Okay, now let us start the class. Everyone look here. Zalika baitun. Zalika baitun. Zalika means that. Baitun means a house. Zalika baitun means that is a house. Here, Zalika far demonstrative pronouns. That's why the house is far away. Next, Hada waladun. Hada waladun. Hada means this. Waladun means a boy. Hada waladun means this is a boy. Here, Hada near demonstrative pronouns. That's why the boy is nearby. Next, Zalika rajulun. Zalika rajulun. Zalika means that. Rajulun means a man. Zalika rajulun means that is a man. Hada mirsamun. Hada mirsamun. Hada means this. Mirsamun means a pencil. Hada mirsamun means this is a pencil. Next, Zalika qalamun. Zalika qalamun. Zalika means that. Qalamun means a pen. Zalika qalamun means that is a pen. Next, Hada jamalun. Hada jamalun. Hada means this. Jamalun means a camel. Hada jamalun means this is a camel. Next, Zalika himarun. Zalika himarun. Zalika means that. Himarun means a donkey. Zalika himarun means that is a donkey. Next, Hada mauzun. Hada mauzun. Hada means this. Mauzun means a banana. Hada mauzun means this is a banana. Next, Zalika tuffahun. Zalika tuffahun. Zalika means that. Tuffahun means an apple. Zalika tuffahun means that is an apple. Next, Hada miftahun. Hada miftahun. Hada means this. Miftahun means a key. Hada miftahun means this is a key. Next, Zalika quflun. Zalika quflun. Zalika means that. Quflun means a lock. Zalika quflun means that is a lock. Next, Hada usfurun. Hada usfurun. Hada means this. Usfurun means a sparrow. Hada usfurun means this is a sparrow. Next, Zalika qitarun. Zalika qitarun. Zalika means that. Qitarun means a train. Zalika qitarun means that is a train. Next, Hada jabalun. Hadha jabalun. Hadha means this. Jabalun means a mountain. Hadha jabalun means this is a mountain. Next, Dhalika maidanun. Dhalika maidanun. Dhalika means that. Maidanun means a field. Dhalika maidanun means that is a field. Next, Hadha qamisun. Hadha qamisun. Hadha means this. Qamisun means a shirt. Hadha qamisun means this is a shirt. Next, Dhalika mindilun. Dhalika mindilun. Dhalika means that. Mindilun means a handkerchief. Dhalika mindilun means that is a handkerchief. Next, Hadha ra'sun. Hadha ra'sun. Hadha means this. Ra'sun means head. Hadha ra'sun means this is a head. Next, Dhalika qalbun. Dhalika qalbun. Dhalika means that. Qalbun means a heart. Dhalika qalbun means that is a heart. Next, Hadha kursiyun. Hadha kursiyun. Hadha means this. Kursiyun means a chair. Hadha kursiyun means this is a chair. Next, Dhalika sarirun. Dhalika sarirun. Dhalika means that. Sarirun means a cot. Dhalika sarirun means that is a cot.